Okay, we're here making you zucchini fritters, keto style, your side dish for your barbecue. Okay, so we're doing barbecue fiesta, our side dishes. Now I'm going to show you how to make some zucchini fritters keto style. Remember, we are watching our weights and watching our diet. No carbs, okay? No flour, nothing. So what I have is 3 big fresh zucchini. I shredded it by hand, not machine, like that. And then I squeeze them real hard. As you can see, there's no more water in there. See? So make sure you squeeze them well. Now I have half a cup of mix of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. So quarter of, cup of each. Then I have a half a cup of our famous almond flour. I have 2 eggs. I whipped them. Now I have my seasonings over here. Half a teaspoon of sea salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, smoked garlic powder, and then a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so we mix them all together. So I'm gonna add my seasoning first and mix it. Now my next ingredient is my cheese. So I'm gonna put the cheese in there. We're gonna mix them all in, okay? Like we're making a meatloaf or something. So the next one actually I'm going to put is my eggs. Okay? 2 beaten eggs. Okay? Now we're gonna put our green scallions and my parsley. Don't worry, these are all earthy, great vegetables, vitamin C, vitamin D. And finally, my favorite cheese, Mediterranean feta cheese that I'm gonna crumble. It's just gonna give some salty taste. Okay, and the last, we're doing our flour. Remember, no regular flour, just almond flour. And we're gonna be baking this, well, air fry. Okay, so you can put it in the oven. You can put it, you can deep fry it if you like, in a pan. But we're going to use our air fryer because we're getting a great results. Okay, it looks like my dough, if you will, is ready to roll. I'm gonna spray my pan, okay, with the avocado oil, which does not burn. And you can just spread it with your fingers. Okay, so now we're going to make our little veggie zucchini patties. Okay, so I'm doing it a little bit bigger than normally because I like them bigger pieces. You can make them smaller if you like. You can make them like a little balls. Either way, they're gonna cook well. Okay, so I'm going to pop them in my air fryer, 375, 385 temperature for maybe 11-12 minutes. I'll check like maybe 8-10 minutes, and then if it needs to be popped over, I'll do that. I'll show it to you. Okay, we're going in. As always, I like trying in the middle section. Okay, time to check in. See how our baby's doing. Looks like halfway done. Wow, nice. I like it. Let's see. Testing, testing. Kind of soft. Maybe, I don't know if I want to turn them now. Because I think... Okay, we're gonna... I think we're gonna flip them over if we can, but I don't want to ruin them. Okay. See? They need to be brown on the bottom too, so we're gonna flip them over for another 8 minutes, and then we come back. Okay, guys, we turn them, we flip them over, and we put some, sprinkle some dusty Parmesan cheese to make them a little more crunchier than I like. Okay, they're going back another 8 more minutes. Okay, guys, I'm getting super hungry, so whether or not, ready or not, we're coming out. Wow, looks better than I expected. We like them super crispy because inside gonna be a little mushy, so you wanna make sure they brown good. And I'm gonna transfer them in my nice plate. Okay, now we have the final finished version, as you can see, and this is the back of it. We always like them a little overdone, well done, because we like them charred, as you can see. Now, if you want me to open one, it's kind of hot. Ooh, smoking. Look inside. It's all good. There's no spinach. It's all zucchini and parsley. Oh, yum. Yum. I'm gonna make this every day. Yummy. Go get some. Recipe will be underneath, and you can copy it. You can make it yourselves. It's really delicious, guys. Great, healthy, vegetarian keto dish. Oh my goodness! Where did she come from? This is Gizmo. Oh no, Giselle. Sorry, that's the other cat who is deceased. But that's Giselle. Get down, get down. We don't want any hair in our food. Okay, guys. We're done for today.